Hey, I'm Dan Murley with Belonging Wealth Management in Longview, Texas. And today I just want to talk to you about some of the property tax benefits available to you once you reach age 65 in Gregg County. So the first and probably largest benefit is the school tax freeze. What this does is once you reach age 65, your school taxes will freeze going forward. And so property values increase, your taxes on the school tax will freeze in that year. And so this will apply to all the school districts in Gregg County, so Longview, Pine Tree, Spring Hill, Gladewater, Kilgore, White Oak, Sabine. All those school districts participate in this. And there's also a few, I think the city of Longview participates in it. And there's some of the other taxing entities that participate in this. And so that's probably the largest benefit to reaching age 65 on your property taxes. The second benefit is there's also additional exemptions available to you. There's a school district exemption of $10,000 that's available. And all of the school districts that I just mentioned, they all participate in that. So you get $10,000 off on your property values. Also, the city of Longview participates in this, not the $10,000, but there is some additional exemptions through them. And then the Gregg County also offers an additional exemption. So those are just a couple of the reductions that are available to you. The next two options, you have the tax deferral option, and then we're going to talk about the installment payment plan. But first, the tax deferral option. Once you reach age 65, you can actually defer current or delinquent property taxes. Something very, very important to know about this route is there is a 5% interest charge every year. So just because you're deferring your property taxes does not mean you're eliminating them. So just understand that you're not eliminating them, you're deferring them. And that deferral comes with a 5% interest rate. And so you want to be mindful of that. And the final one that I mentioned is the installment payment plan. This route allows you to break up your property tax for that year into 4 payments throughout the year. Those payments are due January 31st, March 31st, May 31st, and July 31st. And something to know about this route is those deadlines are very strict. And so you want to make sure that you have your payment your payment submitted before those due dates. And so just keep in mind there's a very strict deadline on those. But yeah, those are for the biggest benefits or for the options available to people in Gregg County that are age 65 or older. And also an important thing to note is these apply to your primary residence. So you can only have one homestead exemption applied to a property. So these 4 things only apply to your primary residence. But yeah, so if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us. You can find us on our website, or you can give us a call.